Alright guys, so you're gonna need some chopped parsley. You're also gonna need some diced onions, diced tomatoes, and some peppers, some sweet bell peppers. Alright guys, so now for the pasta, you want to make sure you add a little bit of oil, to the water. This will prevent your pasta from sticking. You can see this is the pasta that I'll be using, the fettuccine nest pasta. Alright, so now I'm adding the pasta to the water. Guys, so after cooking my pasta for 4 minutes, you want to take it off the stove, add some cold ice water, and this will stop your cooking process. This will prevent your pasta from overcooking. So guys, I'll be using chicken breasts, and what I did was I split my breast in half. Now we're gonna add a little bit of jerk seasoning, a little bit of salt, just a tad of black pepper. Now just to spice it up, I'm gonna add some jerk paste, Then we're gonna mix all these ingredients together. Our next step is just to let it marinate. The longer you let it sit, the better, results, So after this, we're just gonna put it on the grill, give it a nice little char, smoke flavor, and then we'll, finish up the recipe. Alright guys, so now we're gonna start off with our sauce, with our pasta sauce. We're gonna add a little bit of butter. Let's add a little bit more. All right. And once our butter is melted, we're gonna add a few more ingredients. Okay, so next we're gonna add some diced onions. Sweet bell peppers, tomatoes, parsley, and then we're just gonna mix everything together, get everything caramelized. Alright guys, let's not forget to add some garlic as well, add a little flavor to it. I'm also going to add a little bit of thyme, some rosemary, oh my god, I could already smell, all the flavors. I wish you guys could smell this right now. get in there. All right, so now we're gonna add some heavy cream. And we're just gonna mix all that stuff together, you know. All right, guys, so our next step is to add some coconut milk. Nice and creamy coconut milk, you know. And we're just gonna continue mixing. Alright, and just to give it a nice rich color, cheesy taste, I'm gonna add a little bit of cheese. Alright. Now I'm just gonna add my pasta, you know, that we previously made. I'm just gonna mix it in together, you know. All right, guys. So this is exactly, you know, the consistency that you're trying to look for. You know, flavor. You know, look at the sauce. Not too watery, not too thick. You know, remember you're not making mac and cheese. You know, this is more of a Alfredo, you know, type of pasta. All right, so we're just waiting on the jerk chicken right now. Once that's done, we're gonna go ahead and plate it up for you, make it look nice and fancy, you know. All right, guys, so I'm just gonna go ahead and start slicing my chicken breasts. I sliced up in like small strips. I'm just gonna add my sliced jerk chicken breasts, and once again we're gonna mix everything together. This is gonna be so delicious, guys. You should definitely go ahead and try this recipe. You know, for all the pasta lovers, you know, jerk chicken lovers, this is the recipe here for you. Alright, guys, so here you have it, jerk chicken pasta. Look at that. Look at that. Alright, guys, this is the best jerk chicken pasta you'll ever try. Alright, so go ahead and once again subscribe to my channel, you know, for all the latest recipe. You know, comment, like, share. Thank you for watching, guys.